A minimalist life can hinge on small sounds that reset the mind and sharpen focus in the moment. By crafting a 5-minute ritual using only everyday objects like a wooden spoon, a tin, and a glass, the routine becomes a quiet orchestra for mental clarity. Each tap is a reminder to breathe, slow down, and release unnecessary thoughts that clutter the day. The ritual transforms a cluttered morning into a deliberate, restorative pause before action. In under a smile, the mind finds calm and attention stays clear throughout the day.